Hello there. My name is Wednesday Addams, and I am not like most people. I belong to a family of eccentric and dark individuals, but that is not what sets me apart. What makes me unique is my love for the macabre, the morbid, and the strange. But enough about me. I'm here to talk about something that I find very exciting: the future of text-to-video AI. Text-to-video AI has the potential to unleash human creativity in ways we've never seen before. It could give artists and writers the tools to bring their visions to life in new and exciting ways, sparking a renaissance of imagination. So, as you can see, I'm very excited about the future of text-to-video AI. Who knows what kind of wonders it will bring? But one thing is for sure, it's going to be a thrilling ride.
Okay, this is pretty exciting and very impressive if you ask me. And now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do the same thing. So now, let's jump right into the video without wasting any seconds. So the first step number one, is to head over to your browser, and then what you have to do, Midjourney. All right. Now click on the first option here, and then click on join the beta. And now click on accept invite, and that's what you have to do. You can open on Discord, or that's if you have installed Discord on your computer, but I like to use Discord on my browser. And here, what you have to do here is you can use Midjourney inside here. You can go to newbies inside a server. In the server, you can use Midjourney. If you click on newbies, and here you can use Midjourney very nicely. But what I like to do, and what I suggest you to do as well, is to click on show member list, and then click on the Midjourney bot and add to your server. If you don't have a server, click on add a server, create my own club, and server create. Okay, you can name your server if that's what you want, but I'll create a server. Now we can go here, add server, select your server, and continue. Let's create our Wednesday Addams portrait. So what you have to do here, just to imagine, and here write portrait. Very simple, guys. It's nothing complicated. We don't have to write any complicated prompts, but if that's what you want, if you want one Wednesday portrait as well, but if you want something more complicated, you do what you want, right? But now click on enter. You can also use this website. I can give you a little trick, a little tip. So you can use prompt.noonshot.com. It's pretty good, I'll say. It's very useful. You click on light and you say which light you want for your prompt. I select this light. You can also add camera, depth of field, quality, colors, artists. Okay, you can have a lot of options. This website is pretty useful, I would say. And let's say I like something Caravaggio, and increase, continue. And here we have lighting version 4, and we have copy prompt. Paste this prompt and enter. Now probably we're gonna have a little bit different results because you used Caravaggio and black lighting, and yeah. Now, while we're waiting for Midjourney to generate our image, our portrait, what we have to do is to move to the next step, which is using Chat GPT to create our script. It's just fascinating that you can use Chat GPT to create your own script, but that's what we have to do. Okay, the lighting looks very well created. Okay. So now we can click on which one you want to use. I'm gonna go with 2. And now let's go to Chat GPT. And here, I'm gonna give you a tip. Maybe you'll find it useful. Is to go click on here and then more tools and create a shortcut. And you can have now also select open as a window, or if you don't want to, that's fine. You can here write Chat GPT, and now you have Chat GPT on your desktop, right? So this is going to save you some time. Click on create. I already have this, and now here in Chat GPT you can write something like this. This is what I want, but yeah, you can write something like Wednesday Addams explaining who she is, and then talking about the future of text to speech. That's what I used in the intro, in the demo. Right when video started, make it. We can also write right here, make it sound exciting. Okay, and now enter. And now from here you can just copy the script. And now let's go back to Discord while we're waiting. Okay, and now click on the image, open in browser, right click, save image as, and save. Now step number 3 is to copy what ChatGPT generated and use it with this website that I'm going to show you, and it's very fantastic as well. So here we have the ChatGPT generated text, and you can pause and read, but it's very well written and it's really good. Okay, now step number 3, just copy the entire text and head over to this website, beta.elevenlabs.io. Okay, speech synthesizes. All right, select your voice case that you want to use, and make sure you create an account as well. All right, make sure you create an account. If I click here, okay, yeah, just create an account. I think that's it's pretty easy. Just create an account, and now this is what you're going to see. You can here select some stability, clarity, enhancement, or more stability. Select your voice, and now here just paste your text that we just copied from ChatGPT. Now all you have to do is just to click on generate. Okay, and these are the results. I'll play now the audio.
Hello there. I'm Wednesday Addams, and if you're not familiar with
This
me,
sounds
I
very
come
natural
from the
if you
Addams
ask
family,
me.
a rather unconventional group of individuals who embrace the macabre and enjoy the darker side of life. But let's not dwell on the past, because today I want to talk about the future.
Okay, now let's move to the next step. Step number 4, and we're gonna use this different website to go from text to video. Okay, now we have the text, we have the audio, because now we have to save the audio from here. Make sure you save, click on here and save. Okay, now the next step, as I said, let's go to the website that's going to transform the image we generated using Midjourney to video. Okay, so now if you head over to this website, right here, studioid.com editor, you can see right here the name of the website. Okay, anyways, I'll leave the website, this website, in the description of this video, so don't worry. And now click on create video, and here you have to click on add, and now just select the image we created with Midjourney. And why is loading? The image is loading. Let's go to select here. We can also use this website to generate our audio, voices. It already has this integrated in the website, but we're gonna use, click on select audio and upload our voice we created, right? Just upload this voice. we downloaded from the other website I told you about. And now let's wait for the file to load. It's loading right now. So then we're gonna have to click on generate video. So now let's click on generate video and click on generate. Also, make sure you create an account on this website. It's very easy. Okay, and it's gonna take only a few seconds. It's loading pretty fast. And soon we're gonna see the results we created using AI, only AI. We didn't do pretty much nothing, no scripts. If you ask me, this is very interesting, very fascinating, but at the same time, it's kind of scary, if you ask me. But I think, yeah, that's very powerful. And the expressions of the face, like the expressions look natural, like obviously needs more improvement, but overall looks very real, you know. Now, generated your video, click on the video now, and let's see the results.
Hello there, I'm Wednesday Addams, and if you're not familiar with me, I come from the Addams family, a rather unconventional group of individuals who embrace the macabre and enjoy the darker side of life. But let's not dwell on the past, because today, I want to talk about the future of text-to-video AI. I'm not one to shy away from the morbid or bizarre, but I can assure you that this technological development is something truly exciting. You see, text-to-video AI technology is rapidly advancing, allowing for more realistic and lifelike video generation based on written
The
content.
mouth movement
In the near
looks
future,
very natural,
will enable
you know.
us to create video content at a
Okay, so
promotion bar every
that's the video.
Historical
I hope you
figures
learned something. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you now in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe as well. This will help a lot, this small YouTube channel. I'll really appreciate that. And yeah, thank you